Guys, what is up? This is Oksana with Craft and More Design. Today I'm going to cover a topic: what is sublimation? What is sublimation? It can be a very difficult, overwhelming, confusing topic, not just to understand, but even to explain when somebody asks you what you do and what it means. Most of us are like, sublimation is like putting an image on a shirt, but like it has to be a polyester shirt. Unless you want it to be like faded, then you can use a cotton shirt, but like you really shouldn't be using a cotton shirt because like
then it like fades and doesn't really apply to the image, even though it looks like it does. Or you can have a poly coating spray.
I don't know, it's kind of complicated. Honestly, that says nothing and it doesn't build value to what you're doing. I hope this video will bring some clarity your way and help you not just understand it for yourself, but also know how to explain it to others and to your customers. For the smart ones out there, it is a chemical process where a solid turns into a gas without ever going through the stages of a liquid. In other words, dye sublimation is a method where you basically are taking ink from a special coated chemical paper and you are transferring it onto your substrate, which is a poly coating or some sort of polyester material, through the process of using a very hot heat source like your heat press and transferring that image over. In other words, it's basically when you are transferring some sort of image onto a blank or a substrate, whatever you want to say, through the process of applying a lot of heat and using special sublimation ink, special sublimation paper, and printing through a special sublimation printer. So it's pretty much just a special craft where you get to have a beautiful result through very minimal work. Why do people show an interest in sublimation? It's becoming a lot more popular among crafters and a lot of people are transferring from vinyl into sublimation. The reason that people are moving over into this field is because your profit margins are very high when you are doing sublimation. Yes, granted, the cost to start up is very high, and we can talk about that in another video of what it even takes to get set up and started. You have to factor in your equipment, ink, special papers, heat press, blanks, your electricity bills because you're running a lot of heat for a long time. So there's a lot of startup costs that you do have to factor in. However, once you actually have all your equipment and you kind of get into the flow of things, your profits are so incredible and very successful, and it's a very profitable business. That's a very easy thing to do with a very quick turnaround time. That's very custom. It will make your customers be very impressed with the quality of your work because it's permanent, it's high quality, there's a lot of vivid colors, and you're not limited to just a couple colors at a time. A really good general rule of thumb is that you can only sublimate on polyester material or anything that has been coated with some sort of poly coating. So you cannot sublimate on cottons or silk. You also can only sublimate on white or light apparel or light material colors. There are some limitations to sublimating, and I will make another video another time of all the limitations, pros and cons of sublimating. I do have another video of all the things you need to do to get started for sublimation, so I will post it right here above and I'll post it in my description below. And this is pretty much like the top things that you need to buy to get started. I hope that helps you guys overall. I just wanted to give you guys a quick snippet of what is sublimation so that you know what it is and just kind of a couple rule of thumbs of getting started. Be sure to hit that subscribe button with that notification bell. That's probably more important than you actually subscribing, so that you actually get alerted with my videos when they come. But I will be doing a whole sublimation series, so I will see y'all next time. Bye.